Hey everybody, JD here once again. Welcome back to the channel. This will be update number 1 for the MCV Products International, I believe it's a Pro Stock pulling tractor. I've been doing some work on it. As you see, I've got some parts painted. I still have to paint the wheels. The rear wheels and all the rear tires and all the other wheels are over on the by the spray booth, waiting to get some black. I've got the engine painted. Good old Rust-Oleum International Harvester Red. This is the front grille area. Got the chassis painted. Whoops. The rear part of the chassis, or I should say the front part of the chassis, is in my dehydrator in a dusty environment. It's like 90 degrees in here, so it should probably dry. These have been drying for a little over a day or so. I've been painting. Oops. And here's the hood. I took a cue from Art over at the Arterake, and I'm not going to use the stock, the exhaust, the stack that comes with the kit. I have a piece of plastic straw. I painted it with some Revell chrome, along with the water and the fuel tank. I believe it's a water tank. One thing is a fuel tank. I think one is the water tank, because some of these tractors have got water injection to help cool them, because they don't have cooling systems. Could be an oil tank, I guess. I don't know. But I painted a plastic straw. I drilled out this, so it's, and the stack that I'm going to use is like taller. I noticed a lot of the stacks in some of these trailers, I mean, per preference, a lot of them are about as tall as a roll cage, and that one wasn't that tall. I painted where the headlights are. And I painted the grill. I'm going to use some probably a Molotow pen on the grill, because a lot of the grill bars are chrome. And the one thing I haven't painted yet is the side panels that I'm going to use. The decals I bought to put the international badge and the Farmall 1064, 1066, whatever this tractor is supposed to be. Put those on there, and I'm going to paint a white, or not white, a cream stripe across the top. I have a picture of a tractor that I'm going to model it after. But these I need to primer, because I got to tape them off. Haven't primered them yet. Tape them off, paint the cream, paint the red, and we'll be get ready to start putting. I have to paint the weights still. I got 2 sets of weights that go out in the front that need to be painted. But everything else is okay. I could not for the life of me figure out which of these 2 pieces, they go on each side of the engine. One goes on one side, one goes on the other. I could not figure out which of these is which. One should be the intake, one should be the exhaust. If you put them on the model the way Matthew in his pictures has them, they both go to where the stack is. Since this one's got like a pipe with a metal shroud around it, I painted the shroud with the fusion foil chrome to make it look like a heat shield, and painted the rest of it burnt iron. And this I'm assuming is the intake. So I painted it Vallejo natural steel. And that should be about it so far. I got a little more painting to do. I got to break out the airbrush here. On the Friday, my ex is going to take my daughter out for her birthday, which is on Saturday. They're going to spend the day together out at the coast. And if anybody you know who Taylor Momsen is of the Pretty Reckless, she was what was her name? She was in the live action Grinch movie. What was it? Wendy Lou Who? When she was like 9 or 10 years old. She is the singer for the Pretty Reckless. I saw them at Aftershock. They're pretty cool. My daughter and her birthday are the same day, and they're the exact same age, which I just thought was cool, like a little bit of trivia. I hope everybody has a great rest of the week. I don't know if I'm going to post this up today, because I just did my What Did You Buy Wednesday, or if I will post it tomorrow. I don't know yet, but they're all taped, ready to go. I'm looking forward to working on this some more, let everything dry for the next couple of days, and maybe I can start working on getting some assembly done. I hope everybody has a great weekend. We will talk to you later. Bye-bye.